Good morning. This is the first of what is expected to be a two-day sentencing hearing for Joanne Cunningham. She is the mother of 5-year-old AJ Friend. Now, during this sentencing hearing, we are expected to hear from a number of experts as well as even more tragic details of the abuse that AJ Friend suffered in his very short life, which eventually then led to his death back in April of 2019. Now, last night, members of the community group Roar for AJ set up 60 balloons, not only to remember AJ Friend, but also to signify their hopes that Joanne Cunningham gets the full 60 years that she is eligible for after pleading guilty to beating and killing AJ in December. She had originally denied killing the boy, but after being confronted with overwhelming evidence by prosecutors, she decided to change that to a guilty plea. After first reporting AJ missing last year, Cunningham, along with AJ's father, Andrew, finally led police to the 5-year-old's body in a shallow grave. This was after police confronted AJ's father with cell phone video showing the child being beaten. He has pled not guilty to murder charges and is awaiting trial. In exchange for Cunningham's guilty plea, prosecutors took life behind bars off the table. The minimum the 37-year-old could get is 20 years, the maximum being that 60 years, which is what prosecutors will ask for and would essentially be a life sentence for Cunningham. This case also shined a light on failures at the Department of Family and Child Protective Services. Several people lost their jobs after allowing AJ, despite signs of abuse, to stay in the home.
It was preventable. He could still be here today in a loving home with his extended family.
Now, due to COVID-19, only a very small number of people will be allowed into the courtroom. We're told that there could be as many as 8 family and friends of AJ Friend in the courtroom. And also, Joanne Cunningham is entitled to make a statement at this sentencing hearing. However, it's not known if she will do so. The court hearing does get underway here very shortly. We do understand that the judge is expected to put that sentence down sometime tomorrow afternoon. We're live at the McHenry County Courthouse. I'm Eric Ron, WGN News.